Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best chainsaw sharpeners is probably one of the most crucial tools for anyone who relies on a chainsaw. A dull chain can turn a simple task into a frustrating ordeal, wasting time and energy. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of chainsaw sharpeners, exploring the different types available and helping you choose the perfect one to keep your saw cutting like new. Number 5. Oregon 7PC Universal Chainsaw Sharpening Kit. Introducing the Oregon Universal Chainsaw Sharpening Kit. This portable kit makes it easy to keep your chainsaws and other tools sharp. It's perfect for on-the-go sharpening. This versatile kit includes multiple round files, a flat file, a file guide, a handle, and a travel pouch. It has everything you need to maintain your saw blades. This comprehensive set ensures you're always prepared. The included file guide helps you set the depth gauge. This ensures accurate and consistent results every time you sharpen. Get professional level sharpness with ease. The kit comes with a detailed instruction sheet. It includes a filing chart to guide you through the process. You'll be sharpening like a pro in no time. The kit comes in a compact rolled canvas pouch. It has inner pockets for each tool and a secure closure. Take it with you from job to job with ease. What we like. This Oregon kit is perfect for on-the-go sharpening. It's compact and includes everything you need for various chain sizes. If you're a homeowner or a professional who needs to sharpen chainsaws in the field, this is the ideal choice. It's easy to carry and ensures your chains are always ready. What people say. Works great for sharpening my chainsaws. Files are sharp and last well. The gauge for the rakers works well also. Great kit that has most importantly a case that keeps them all together. Comes with everything you need to sharpen the most standard profiles. I got 2 of these and keep them with each chainsaw. Very handy. Number 4. Oregon 120-volt bench grinder, 410 to 120. This professional grinder is perfect for both semi-professional and home users. It's designed for those who regularly work with wood. It is a great tool to have in your workshop or garage. Save time and money by sharpening your own chainsaw chains. This grinder is easy to use and can be mounted on a bench or wall. It comes with all the necessary components for easy setup. The grinder sharpens up to 0.404-inch pitch chains. It is compatible with chains from various manufacturers, including Oregon, Stihl, and Husqvarna. This makes it a versatile tool for many users. The grinder features a one-way motor rotation for greater operator safety. It also includes a manual chain clamping vise. These features ensure a safe and efficient sharpening experience. The package includes the grinder, a dressing brick and profile guide, operator instructions, and 2 grinding wheels, 3.2 mm and 4.7 mm. It also comes with a 6.0 mm flat profile disc for depth gauge maintenance. Everything you need is in the box. What we like. This Oregon bench grinder is designed for regular users. It can sharpen a wide range of chain sizes and is easy to mount in your workshop. If you're a semi-professional or a serious DIY enthusiast who frequently uses chainsaws, this grinder will save you time and money. It's a reliable and efficient solution for keeping your chains in top condition. What people say. If you carefully follow the setup instructions, the machine will sharpen uniformly and easily. Comes with 2 grinding wheels. After setting it up, I began to grind the chain I had been using. After the first cutter, I was shocked at the difference in the cutting edges. I had been nowhere close to the right angles. Number 3. Titanium Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. This sharpener features the latest, hardest titanium-coated diamond wheel, ensuring a long lifespan. You won't need to replace it often. The kit includes 6 wheels to sharpen any chain. No chain removal is required, and there are no replacement parts needed. It only takes 4 simple installation steps. A helpful video is provided to guide you. This tool simplifies your sharpening work. This high-power tool sharpens even the bluntest chains quickly, in just a few minutes. It eliminates the need for hand sharpening. It's a great replacement for hand files. With the angle attachment, you can sharpen your chainsaw blade at an exact angle and depth. This makes the chain razor sharp and protects it from damage. Now, getting your chain back to razor sharp is easy. This efficient chainsaw sharpener is the perfect companion for your chainsaws. It sharpens and protects the chain, making work easier and safer. The packaging makes it a great gift. Get it, and you'll be a cool working style leader. What we like. This electric sharpener is all about speed and precision. It features durable titanium-coated diamond wheels and is designed for quick and easy sharpening. If you value efficiency and want to get the job done fast, this sharpener is your best bet. It will quickly restore your chain's sharpness. What people say. Easy to use, just put the bar in a vise and work the chain around. The alignment helps with positioning, and sharpen the 18 chain in just a few minutes. I sharpened the dull blade on my saw and could immediately feel the difference in how it felt versus the round file sharpening. I was able to keep a good angle on the blade and the teeth sure felt sharp. With a big winter storm that took down a lot of trees, my Husqvarna 460 Rancher 24 saw was getting a real workout and the chain needed sharpening or replacing. I decided to get this sharpener and, wow, for ease of use, quality of build, and outcome, you can't beat this. I will never go back to manually sharpening. Number 2. Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. Introducing the Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. This kit comes with everything you need to keep your chainsaw in top condition. It includes the sharpener tool, angle guide, wrench, and multiple file sizes. This tool is designed for both beginners and professionals. It allows anyone to sharpen even the dullest chains quickly and easily. The ergonomic design and angle guide make it simple to maintain the correct angle. Unlike hand files, this sharpener ensures every tooth is sharpened equally. You can set the grinding angle and achieve a razor-sharp finish every time. This precision is difficult to match with manual methods. Get your chains sharpened quickly with adjustable speed settings. The motor's design ensures stability and accuracy. This saves you time, fuel, and reduces wear and tear on your chainsaw. A dull chain can lead to accidents. This sharpener ensures your chain is sharp within a few passes. It reduces pressure on the engine, extending the life of your tool and making your work safer. What we like. This Sharp Pebble kit offers ease of use and precision. It comes with an angle guide for consistent sharpening and adjustable speed settings. If you're looking for a user-friendly sharpener that delivers professional results, this is the one for you. It ensures each tooth is sharpened at the same angle for optimal performance. What people say. Works great, sharpening the chain was a breeze. I sharpened it without taking it off the saw. I didn't use the angle guide, but I can imagine it would be helpful. Works as advertised. Easy to use. Sharpens fast. The screw-on guide shows the 3-cut angle so your chain can get specific angle required. Number 1. Stihl 2-in-1 File Holder for Chainsaws. This is the Stihl 2-in-1 file holder. It's designed specifically for chainsaws. This handy tool makes sharpening your chain easier. This file holder is perfect for use on 3/8 chains. It ensures the correct angle and depth for optimal sharpening. This will help your chainsaw cut more efficiently. The file holder is designed for files with a 5.2 mm diameter. This size is ideal for many chainsaw chains. Using the right file size is crucial for proper sharpening. The package includes two 1364 files. These high-quality files are perfect for getting started. They're durable and designed to last. This file holder makes sharpening your chainsaw easy. It ensures a consistent and accurate sharpening angle. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This Stihl file holder is a simple and effective solution for maintaining your 3/8 chains. It includes the necessary files and is easy to use. If you need a basic, reliable tool for occasional sharpening, this is a great choice. It's a straightforward way to keep your chain in good shape. What people say. This tool magically files down the raker tooth at the same time you sharpen the cutting tooth. It cuts the depth gauge at the same time to the proper depth. The unique shape of the holder makes it easy to file the chain's teeth razor sharp, at the proper angle, with the round file, tooth after tooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.